It is now just a flying thing.
It's hitting
Hey,
us.
what are you shooting us with? What are you shooting?
Yeah, it is. It has two medium missiles and two small missiles. No, I couldn't fit a gun because the gun was too big. I mean, you fatso. The freaking gun was a fatso.
You get rid of your gun.
No, I didn't get rid of my gun.
Jesse, we can steal it now. It's just sitting here in the
I
water.
can't fire my gun. What'd you do to it?
Nothing. I've done nothing to your gun.
Not enough ener. Oh, it's waiting on energy we don't own. Why are we so low on energy? Did we get hit with an EMP?
Jesse, is that thing still alive?
We'll just set the minimum lower. It's fine.
To be honest, I think your gun is the underwhelming one right now. Although it is a very fast firing gun.
I'm gonna blow up.
Pop out at the Lord. Else at spawn. You want me to deal with it? Do you want me to deal with it, or do you want to send the jet out? Should, save, should probably save that blueprint.
I did. I saved the blueprint of the jet. I've saved the jet, John. The part that I can't do is because it's not a transfer. Because if you save a blueprint in the game, it doesn't automatically become a transfer of that match. So I can't spawn more of the same kind. I'd have to remake all of them manually from the blueprint I already have. It is very
Bro,
dumb.
damn, 3 things are spawned in right now. Jesse, your plane might have got hit with a stray bullet.
No, it didn't. Plus, that's not my plane. That's a different plane. I don't know what that Black Hawk looking thing is, but I don't like it. And I don't know why there's so many different planes. What? Yeah. No. 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 More pomegranates. You don't get that joke? Oh my god, you're such uncultured swine.
That'd be
All of
cool to
my
be done.
friends are idiots.
What is this thing, and why can it take 900,000 freaking hollow point damage? And it's still firing. The hollow point will end your life quicker than 900, quicker than any other 9 minutes. It's anything. What is this thing? Yes. I am shooting
Sure.
9 mil against this enemy boat, and my 9 mil is winning. Yeah, hollow point. Insane. Brother is mad that a gameplay mechanic is breaking his gameplay.
The snail. No, no, Gaijin coin. It's daily supplements. You didn't feed it correctly.
You didn't give the snail its annual $60 paycheck for
No.
the fucking one point. That is worse than a fucking standard tech model.
No. Okay, no, we're
What
good. I thought
happens?
it's just like I
Well,
thought I just like nuked the power supply.
do we have more planes now?
We can easily afford more planes. We could afford like 20 of them, but do we have them? No.
I don't mind, just exiting and quickly rejoining.
Then sure, let's just do that.
Save the game?
Let's put the fries in the bag.
And all the things are still here. So.
I have to leave the lobby. Not the Discord thing. I meant like
You have to re-add all the transfers. Jesse, do you want it?
I don't know where my thing is. I don't know where it is.
Save?
I saved it. I don't know where it is. Oh, here it is. I'm just blind. I guess I couldn't see it. What I do? What I do? Easy, John. It's 121 bucks.
What? Yeah.
The plane.
10,000. Start the game, Jesse. Start the game, Jesse.
Okay. Actually, hold on. 1 second.
To the mouse.
Yes. I didn't load the same.
Jesse.
Wow.
I was like, what is this? Basic design. I see an island.
Snacky X. 5, 6 Nike kicks. 1, 2, back on my head. Back tomorrow, 5, 6 Nike kicks. $34 some more. Just think about it. The 5, 6 Nike kicks. What are you doing? Does have anything to do with buckling your shoe? What about 3, 4 buckle some more? Toes. Hmm. Yep. Yep. Yep.
How
Yep.
many of
Yep.
these are we gonna have? 4 or 5?
Yep. Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. Yep of the destroyer.
Bro, I love Yap Yap. You just spam grunts at the enemy. Just do
I love cannon fodder.
deployment point enemy base. Spam grunt. It's that simple. Why are... Oh, I found something. The seagulls are just all combining in one spot, way off on the edge of the world. Just yet a test his launch ability is there. We now have Cap. That is very nice. getting 2 more, putting him on the top. Maybe another one in the middle.